How to fix my phone won't turn on or charge or black screen problem. So if you're facing a black screen problem on your phone, then just follow the steps. The first thing you need to do is just simply force restart your phone. Press and hold on to that power button, and here you will have a restart option. You just need to simply go and restart your phone. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you can go with the second option, which is connect your phone to a charger for at least 30 minutes. If your phone won't force restart or the screen won't come on, connect it to a charger and allow it to charge for 30 minutes or to an hour before trying again. If that doesn't work, allow your phone battery to drain and recharge completely. And the third thing you can do is try squeezing the sides of your phone. If there is a connection problem between the phone and your screen, you can temporarily get it to reconnect by lightly squeezing the sides of your phone as well as the top and bottom. If this resolves your issue, your phone screen may have become disconnected or developed a short preventing it from getting power. In this case, it's time for a repair. Or the fourth thing you can do is remove and insert the battery, SIM, or the SD card. But most newer Androids have built-in batteries that cannot be removed. If you can remove your battery, go ahead and do so. Also remove the SIM and the SD card if you have one. Or the next thing you can do is simply clean your charging port or charge your phone. And make sure the buttons aren't jammed. Or you can simply boot your phone into your safe mode. So these were the fixes on how you can fix your black screen problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.